Hello, boys. Today I am going to teach you a new chapter, and that is related to the history. So, this chapter is Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. Previous chapter I taught you, and that was related to the French Revolution. So, the 18th century European society was broadly divided into the three classes, or you can say the three state. And I have explained you what the state is. The two groups, the classes that were divided into the three categories I have taught you. Number one, clergy. Number two, noble. And number three, that is a common. And nobility was having the big power that is being given to them, and they were controlling the economic and the social power of the country. But the French Revolution suddenly made up the possible changes, and they changed their position also in Europe, Asia, and many other parts of the world. New ideas about the individual rights and who controlled social power began to be discussed in India also. In India, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, the great social reformers, began to discuss the matter related to the country India also, and the Derozio also realized the significance of the French Revolution in India. How it is useful for the India also. So many other thinkers also thought about it, and they debated about the ideas of the post-revolutionary Europe, such as the example that I gave you about the France, and many developments in the colonies of European power in term reshape these ideas of the social changes. So all the people in Europe were not in favor of complete transformation of the society. Those who accepted that some changes were very much necessarily wanted the gradual shift. Some wanted to reconstruct society radically. Thus there were some conservatives, others were liberals, and the radicals also. We must understand that what separate their stands of the politics and what linked them together. We should know some of the important political tradition of the 19th century and how they influenced the changes and time to time. We have to focus on the historical events in which there was an attempt of the radical transformation of the society. It was the result of the Russian Revolution of 1917 that socialism became one of the most significant and dominated ideas which shaped the society in the 19th century. And socialist was also a very important, and what are the impacts of the socialist wars we will discuss later on. And in the next topic we will discuss the very important topic, that is the liberals, radicals and the conservatives. So thanks.